There you go. More yogurt? Nearly finished it, miss. Alright, you go back. Would you like some more? Some more? Yes, you would. Lovely, isn't it? How old are you, Molly? 7.5 months. Elsie, how old are you?
Number 2.
You're 2, clever girl. And in a month, how old are you going to be when it's your birthday?
3.
3! Brilliant. Be fun, won't it? Shall we have a party?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we have a cake? What kind of cake do you want?
A vanilla cake.
A vanilla cake. Like your daddy, you like vanilla, don't you? Would you like some more yogurt, or is your mouth too full? It's too full, but you really want some more yogurt.
It's just my tummy is too small.
Is your tummy too small? What for? For all your food?
Yeah.
Plain yogurt is the nicest thing you've ever tasted, isn't it?
It's nice. Very, very, very nice.